If you want to review presentations in PowerPoint 2013 the right way, this video is going to walk you through the most useful tools step by step. We'll cover spelling checks, adding comments, comparing presentations, and protecting your file when you're finished. These are simple features, but they can make a big difference when you're polishing slides, collaborating with a team, or preparing a presentation to share with others. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's start with spelling check. This is one of the fastest ways to catch small mistakes before you present. In PowerPoint 2013, go up to the Review tab on the ribbon. Once you're there, click Spelling. PowerPoint will scan your presentation and begin pointing out words it thinks may be incorrect. When a mistake appears, you can choose the correct suggestion from the list, ignore it if it's actually correct, or add it to the dictionary if it's a word you use often. This is especially helpful if your slides include names, technical terms, or brand language that needs to stay accurate. Going through spelling check before sharing your slides can instantly make your presentation look more professional. Next, let's add comments. Comments are really useful when you want to leave notes for yourself or give feedback to someone else without changing the actual content on the slide. To do this, select the slide or the specific object you want to comment on. Then go back to the Review tab and click New Comment. A comment box will appear where you can type your note. You might use this to remind yourself to update an image, rewrite a sentence, or double-check a chart. If you're working with a team, comments are a great way to collaborate because everyone can see the feedback in context. You can add as many comments as needed across different slides, making the review process much easier and more organized. Now let's move on to comparing presentations. This is a very powerful feature if you have two versions of the same deck and want to see what changed. To compare files, stay in the Review tab and click Compare. Then select the other presentation file you want to check against. PowerPoint will show you the differences between the two versions so you can review edits, additions, or removals. This is especially helpful when multiple people have worked on the same presentation or when you want to track changes before finalizing your slides. Instead of manually checking every slide, PowerPoint helps you spot differences much faster. It saves time and reduces the chance of missing an important update. Finally, let's protect the presentation. If your file is ready and you want to control how others use it, PowerPoint 2013 gives you a few protection options. Go to File, then click Info and look for Protect Presentation. From there, you can choose options like Mark as Final or Restrict Editing. Marking as Final tells others the presentation is complete and discourages further changes. Restrict Editing can help limit what others are allowed to do with the file. This is useful when you want to share a polished version while keeping the content secure. Always choose the protection option that fits your workflow and the level of control you need. So to recap, reviewing presentations in PowerPoint 2013 is all about checking spelling, adding helpful comments, comparing versions, and protecting your final file. These tools are easy to use, but they can make your presentations much cleaner, more collaborative, and more secure. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.